So we're here today to change this mechanism. Bit of a struggle to find the right size because this is a 25. But we've done it. We've managed to find one, and we're just going to swap it out. Hands off, knock out. Time to get the mecha. Managed to get it out. It did snap 2 screws. Anyway, I'll have to deal with that now, and then cut the new one down to size. And as you can see, the keyway. The keyway is blocked by the key wind. So that when you're drunk, go perfectly matching up. Just got to trim the top and the bottom. Might have to trim it up a bit, but yeah, that's good. Took the screw out, now the door's having a wee. Examination complete. That's the new one in. Just have to trim it a little bit inside. This case was a little bit fatter, but it's all lining up nicely. Door locked. Door unlocked. Yeah, I've got keeps missing. Struggle from the outside, but it's because there's nothing for the latch to sit into.